Sappers on site. We've got orders to move, so move. Ground needs taking, boys. Get into work. Dig it out to section command post.
Light infantry sections on standby.
Light infantry, on the field!
It's done, Commander. Section command open for business. Royal Engineers, little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. Sappers, eyes open, guns up. We're taking that position. That capture point needs to be ours, right?
Oh, definitely! We're secure in location!
Far too close for comfort! Taking hits! Sappers, yeah? Hold the position! Cavalry can't be too far off! Secure that position!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Take the position, Sappers! Like you was trained!
What have you guys up?
An infantry section of Tommies has been trained.
Off your asses! Move!
Good on you, mate.
Shut your mouth.
Got it in for us! Sappers, we're ready!
The lads are accounted for.
Pay attention, lazy buggers.
Oh wait, did it strike? Apparently it's better to run, Sappers! Run!
Our victory point is being overrun.
We hear you've got Aussies taking ground.
Victory point lost. The enemy has control.
You need raising the colours.
We got order. Quit whinging and march.
Australian infantry support is reporting in.
Let's move out! Come on, you pensioner! Go! Get to ground!
Sappers, you pack it up, lads.
The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Moving to secure.
Royal End Sappers back.
Enemy fire! Ready to move on.
Rifle section ready! Brekkie package on the way!
Damnation! The sector's in enemy hands.
All of ya! There! Now! Infantry closing
Sappers, reported.
Taking heavy
The
enemy
beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Move! Move!
Hush up! Coordinates received! Fire!
Eyes open, guns up. We're taking...
Attention!
We're losing a fuel point.
You're lollygagging and mad! Desert Ranger! Push them back! That's it! Maintain distance! Infantry! Aussies here!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Making headway to the
Nothing to worry
target!
about.
Command! Report!
Australian infantry have been killed.
They're having a go!
Sappers receiving
dead!
orders.
Come on! Maintain distance! Infantry!
This is ours.
The enemy have taken our territory.
Stow that gear, boys.
Let's plug to their places.
Come on, ladies, while we're young.
Sappers, and here we go.
Come moving! What have you got? All right, moving forward. Infantry closing on us. There you are.
Sappers. We're not gentlemen.
Go for the head.
Get to it.
Numbers faltering.
They're breaking through us, yeah?
Point captured. Secure.
Get it, Ansi. Get moving.
Mortar tube and crew are available. Royal Engineers out of contact. Presumed dead.
Present to the county. Quit whinging and march. Pay attention. Shut your mouth.
Platoon command needs digging in.
Moving.
Lads are accounted.
They've cut us off. Territory's out of supply.
Aussie rats here. Let's get
Platoon
some blisters
command
for your
post up.
blisters. Quit your lollygagging and
Quiet down and listen up.
Heading to the
Location.
Grab your gear.
Listen up, gents. Order.
Territory lost.
Always eager to serve.
The lad's time to make a name for ourselves.
Let's shut your mush. Right, come on, ladies, while we're young. Quit whinging and march.
Ready to get to it. 3-inch, ready. Yeah, sure.
We'll just lug this thing around.
Right, shut your mush and move your feet. All right, head into Jerry's nowhere to
All
be
right,
seen.
spit
Let's
it
take
out. Where are we going? You heard the commander.
We
Get
got
to
orders.
it.
Quit whinging and march.
You need lighting? Making headway to the
Pay
target.
attention. Come on, ladies, while we're young.
Reload! I gotta reload!
Quiet down and listen up.
I hear you, son. All right, moving forward. Come on, you bludgeon! Move! Infantry! Now!
Press into the camp, head into the location.
Anti-tank weapon and crew on the field.
He's here! Patience, lads!
Ready for trouble.
We're taking losses here!
Nice! That means you! We'll get there if I cover his position!
You have 3 command points available.
It's in. Remove him. Mulder, you with me?
The sector is in enemy control.
Aye, we're ready. Marching there.
Weapon team!
The enemy has claimed a sector.
We're roaring to...
Under armored car fueled up.
Ready weapons. Combat patrol. Keeping up the pressure. Ready to fight.
Aussie rats, rifles up, asses in gear! What have you got?
17-pounder and Bofors emplacements are available for construction. On the flank! Send help! On point! It's gonna get rough!
Move and fire!
Keep those troopers down! Full throttle! We're going!
What have you got?
We ready for down, driver! Make a move! Move in!
Get up, lads. We've got orders.
Alert me! Reload! Now!
We've stumbled into a firefight!
Grab your tackle. Job to do.
Where are we? We'll have it in no time at all.
Take your stations. We're heading
Lads are
out.
making headway to the target.
Have a taste, you sods. 6-pounder will quite...
Royal Engineers trained and ready to go.
Hold on!
Oh, let's get rolling, then.
Rats here! Can't believe the Navy's still running. Setting our sights and moving out.
Over. Heading to our destination now.
3-inch, ready. Ready, barrage.
A fuel point is being overrun.
Start working, lads!
We can shut your mush and move your...
Up and ready!
Over. Fueled and ready.
Royal Engineers.
Ready.
You need light infantry! Stand by the tune! Order team! Up and move it to new position!
The beggars are threatening a victory point.
Here you've got trouble!
You need
Sappers, receiving all. Time to march, boys. Come on.
Sector overrun. The enemy has...
Taking hits!
Hold steady on. Who told you how
Ready to
bloody
get
drive?
to it! Come on, crew!
Fuel
We can
ready.
sleep tomorrow.
Wait, this rear-wheel drive? Stop! What now? Lumber, fueled and ready.
Sappers, reported.
We can now construct Bishop's self-propelled artillery. Now then, let's get rolling, lads. Pulling over.
What you got,
Let's get some blisters for your blisters.
We're losing a victory point to enemy action. Initiating rollout of battlefield division. Victory point belongs to the enemy. We're moving out, chums.
Wake up those Nazis.
Infantry training completed. We've lost contact with our sappers. Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders. Enemy ground forces have claimed the sector. What now? You heard the commander!
Head into the location.
Infantry fancies us, lads! Go! That pack will tear us apart! Come on! We're terrorizing over there! Humber's got a fight on his hands!
Cover your eyes.
We need strong cover! Sending coordinates! Right! Right! Come on! We're under fire here! Open up! Make it count! Cut down, driver! Make a move! Blast! Our Humber armored car is gone.
Sappers, anti-tank gun. Get behind the wheel. Ah, you on it. Royal, and here we go.
The enemy line! Jerry's picking us apart! Boys, fall back!
Orders, sir. Let's get moving. Sappers ready. Move, boys.
All right, moving forward.
We've got orders to move, so move.
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
We're raring to go. Ready, come on, lads. There's work to be done.
All right, spin it out. Aussie Rats here.
Come on, Sappers, get to follow it. Royal Engineers, stow that gear, boys.
Here you've got making
going.
headway to the target.
We go. Shut your mush and move your feet.
Sappers have orders to over-repair vehicles for the coming fight.
Hey, it's a quick wind, you know. Where are we going? Setting our sights and move. Boss man, set.
Baseball is
Time to march, boys. Come on. Pack it up, lads. We're moving.
Bishop artillery carrier and crew on standby.
And here we go. It's designed to hurt, you dolt. Fuck me! They will put fire on us!
ways, head into the location.
Let's go looking for trouble, shall we?
Steady now. We can quit. Hang about, lads.
Aye,
Take a
engaging.
breather. Move!
It's equal, getting into position.
Round the enemy line!
Artillery fire going out! Pull back to right!
You orders! What'll it be?
Boys are finished!
We're losing!
We're losing a victory point.
Keep them busy, warriors! Take a leg, you
Engines chugging it up. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Sappers, go that gear, boyos.
March home all victory points. Act now.
What have you got?
Tankers here! Locked and loaded!
Us securing supplies from Jerry.
Ready for trouble.
Shut your mush and move.
We have infantry support. Australians, no less. We have munitions ready to be used, Commander. Jerry got one of our squads. Our emplacement has been destroyed.
The day is theirs. Time to retreat.